Keep everything inside of your truck, specifically your truck bed, safe by using the BAKFlip MX4 tonneau cover. Unlike traditional tonneau covers for pickup, this one is not bulky at all. As you can see, it's completely sleek and low profile, but it's also metallic on top. This is an aluminum top, so it makes it lightweight and has more benefits besides just keeping everything inside of the truck bed safe. You also do get some increasing, maybe not increasing where you do get some better fuel mileage due to the aerodynamics and the way that it kind of funnels wind off the back. But one thing that I absolutely love, you want to bring it this way, is if you have tools, if you do any kind of handiwork, anything at all that requires valuables in the bed of your truck, you can lock it up. When the doors lock on a pickup, this is a Silverado, for example, and I know a lot of other brands do it, it's locked. You cannot get in this thing unless... Now, this is not the only access point for this tonneau cover. You have these little cables right here. Simply pull and flip. That's why it's called the BAKFlip. All right. Pull and flip. And as you can see right here, it has some foam inserts that'll rest against the top of your truck. So installing this tonneau cover is extremely easy. You just get a couple C-clamps, whether you use the ones that are provided or aftermarket ones. I used some aftermarket ones that I had. And it will pinch against this railing onto the frame of your truck. You hit it with your socket set or whatever torque thing you have, and that's it. It just squeezes it all down. You place this on top. Everything locks in, clicks in. It is extremely easy. I want to say I did this by myself in probably 20 minutes total. And I'll tell you what, for the most part, it does a really good job keeping water out as well. It's one of the big things that I noticed when I got it, whether you go to if you drive through a thunderstorm or you go through a car wash, things stay relatively dry. You might get a little bit damp, but for the most part, they do stay dry. Very lightweight, easy to put back, close up, and just like that, your stuff is secure.